You know, a couple hundred years ago, a buddy of mine went off on the grand tour of the galaxy, leaving me the responsibility for his garden. He's not due back until at least tomorrow. Tomorrow? I'd better get going. Sheer excellence. Not bad if I do say so myself. But I have to admit, it's kind of, how can I put this, conventional. I think from now on, I'll take a more artistic approach. But for that, I'm going to need some special adaptations. This is where it pays to be on the cutting edge of technology. Nothing up my sleeve. I've become Zedward Scissorhands, or the Lobster Man from Mars. You know, the artistic cutting of trees and shrubs like this isn't my invention. It's an art form. It's called topiary, and it goes something like this. It just needs one final touch. Oops.